Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can purchase an item or product from Sainbury. So then to purchase an item from the Sainbury app or an account, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go to log into your account, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. First of all, go ahead and select the particular item that you wish to go ahead and add it to your cart or that you wish to purchase. So I'm going to go with a random product. So here you can see this is some product, so I'm just going to add it to my cart. First of all, when I have actually added to the cart, you could go ahead and select the quantity, quality, all that by tapping on the plus icon right over here or pressing on the minus button. And when you've added the product to your cart, swipe up and go to the right hand side bar and click on the cart icon. Here you'll be able to see the summary page, and over here just list out or make sure to only add the product that you wish to buy currently or that you wish to purchase. If you don't want some product, then you could go ahead and press the minus button and the product is going to be removed. Now you could go ahead and press on book a slot, and it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and select whether you want to click and collect or home delivery. You could go ahead and select either one of it. I'm going to go ahead and select the time first of all, and here you have to go through the schedule all that and select it accordingly and click on reverse slot. After you've added or scheduled the periods, next what you have to do is go ahead and add your delivery address, all that. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and click on continue shopping. Now that the product has already been scheduled, next what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the payment method. So for that keys, you have to go ahead and click on checkout, which is located right on top. Next thing, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and add a payment source. To select that, and then the order will be confirmed. So in that way, you could go ahead and purchase and complete the checkout procedure on the Sainbury app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.